everybody. Today we are at WAIC in front of the booth of AI Square Robots. And it's my great pleasure to talk with Mr. Guo, who is
Nice
CEO and founder of the company. So let's start to the question with, can you just introduce us briefly, like your robotic and your most developed advanced products and solution?
Okay, for the question. My name is Guo. I'm the founder and CEO of AI Square Robotics. This time for WAIC, we brought our latest version, AlphaBot 2. We leverage one to do service, as you just see here, making coffee, ice cream, and we use the same hardware device to do service in factory, to move things, to move boxes, and we use the same hardware and same software to play drums, to play instruments. And this is 3 demos to show that we are developing a general purpose robots. So general purpose robots means that we can use one type of hardware and only one large model with very small effort to customize this large model. It can do very different things. If you go to America, you can see Robot Restaurant by Tesla. Here you can see a soft drink bar from AI Square Robotics. We can making coffee, Coca-Cola, lemon tea, ice cream, whatever you want, you can make it. And it's not just a coffee. It is a robot that can operate any type of coffee machine.
Yeah.
It's a robot that can operate the ice cream machine.
Yeah.
Whatever drinks you want to make, whatever food you want to cook, you just give him the right device. And this robot can use that device to make things for you.
Right. So you the robot can be used in multiple application scenarios, regardless of the circumstances, right? Just it can customize like the service based on your order, right? So why this robot can be so special? Because I've seen other robotic, they can only do one
thing.
It's because of the brain, it's very different, or it's because of the data or training?
We use many GPU cores, many data to train this model. And we are one of the first company in the whole world to invent this so-called end-to-end VLA large model. And to leverage this model, we input many data to this robot. This robot has seen many things, can see many coffee machines, see scenarios, in-house, outdoor scenarios, have seen enough things. We have about 10 billion images input this large model. And we use thousands of cores to continue training this model. I think we are also one of the first companies to publish paper in this domain, on this VLA model. And based on the large investment on this large model, another advantage of our company is that we compress this model and put this model on device. So everything is running on a small chip inside the robot. So we don't need Wi-Fi.
Connected to the cloud.
Large PC to do this. We put every computing inside the robot. So this is the 2 advantage. We have one of the largest model. We have with highest successful rate for unseen tasks. And the second secret is that we put the model inside the body. It's like autonomous driving car.
Right. And I see like your background, you have been working with Microsoft and also Oppo and also Xiaopeng. So based on your knowledge and experience in the hardware and software, how do you see the future trend? You think that everything is going to be roboticized? For example, like all the electronic devices can also be like seen as robotic in the future? You think this industry will be even bigger and bigger? Because
I think this industry will be even bigger. The amount of this robot is will be similar to cell phones, but the price will be similar to cars. So the market size is much larger. I have been working for Microsoft, then Xpeng, then Oppo. It's basically 3 previous generations of intelligent device: PC, cell phone, and car. Then I think robot is the 4th generation of intelligent device, and it will be revolutionary. Because it can do a lot of things. After I worked for the 3 companies, I summarize what kind of device can change the whole world. Basically, 2 tricks. First, easier to interact. So you don't need to program. You don't need remote control. Just give him order. Text order. Talk with the robot. Robot can do things. Second trick, the robot has to be working for multiple scenarios. It's like PC or cell phone or car. More scenarios you can work for, more market size you will have. So this will apply to robotics. When I was working for Microsoft, our dream is put every PC in every family's desk. Now I found this company, AS Robotics. I'm hoping that we can have one robot for every family.
So from now until when you think this can happen. Like robotic get into each household and even a small factory or office even.
The good news is that we start to deliver our product to manufacturers, to public services. That's the good news. And some people start to use our robots. And once people start using that, our robot will get smarter. But after being after for Xpeng and Oppo, I know that people need to be very patient when it comes down to the intelligent device. Because we need to let people start to use it. We need to collect more data, especially going to people's house. The scenario will be very unpredictable. So we need a lot of data to train this type of robot. People need to be a little bit more patient.
Right. Last question. Is your company actually going global right now?
The short answer is yes. We are trying to sell our product all over the world. I think this gives us unique advantage because in China, we have a lot of AI talents and we have this hardware ecosystem. You combine them together. This is my advantage and China's advantage. It's like an EV car or cell phone. We are trying to sell our product all over the world.
So which market is your prioritized market? Do you think the high-end market, Europe, US, or you think emerging market?
Both, actually. Yeah. Now we are talking with two markets. One is European market, another one is Southeast Asia.
Why Southeast Asia? It's a very special answer.
They also have this labor shortage issues. For example, Singapore, they need a lot of laborers here.
Right. Okay, that's all for today, I think. Thanks a lot for your insight. If you want to know more about AI Square and know more about their going global strategy and expansion, please don't forget to follow us. See you next time. Bye.